What if I told you that the difference between someone who stays broke and someone who builds $1 million net worth comes down to just 3 daily decisions? You don't need a massive inheritance. You don't need a lucky break. You just need the right habits. Even if your bank account is exactly at 0 today, these 3 habits will make wealth a mathematical certainty. Welcome back to Wealth Foundation. We've spent a lot of time talking about how to dig yourself out of debt and how the simple math of investing works. But knowing the math isn't enough. Wealth isn't just about what you know, it's about what you do every single day. By the end of this video, you will know the exact 3 habits that self-made millionaires use to build their fortunes from scratch. Let's dive into habit number 1. The biggest mistake people make when trying to build wealth is paying everyone else before they pay themselves. They pay the landlord, the car company, and the grocery store, and then they say, "I'll save whatever is left over." But there is never anything left over. Habit number 1 is paying yourself first. Before a single bill is paid, a percentage of your income, whether it's 10%, 15%, or 20%, goes straight into your investments. You treat your wealth like a non-negotiable tax. Rich people don't save what is left after spending, they spend what is left after saving. Habit number 2 is understanding the ruthless difference between an asset and a liability. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket every month, like a brand new car loan, designer clothes, or the latest smartphone. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, like stocks, real estate, or a business. Most people stay broke because they buy liabilities that they think are assets. The wealthy delay their gratification. They buy assets first, and then they use the cash flow from those assets to buy their luxuries later. You can lose your money. You can lose your job. But no one can ever take away your skills. Habit number 3 is continuous financial education. The broke mindset believes that learning stops when you graduate from school. The wealthy mindset knows that school is just the warm-up. They read books, they study markets, and they invest in their own skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you spend just 30 minutes a day learning about investing instead of scrolling on social media, you will completely transform your financial trajectory in a single year. These 3 habits, paying yourself first, buying assets, and continuous learning, are the true foundation of wealth. I want to know which one of these habits you are going to start focusing on today. Type Habit 1, Habit 2, or Habit 3 in the comments below. And if you want to keep building your financial knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Starting from 0 is hard, but staying at 0 is harder. Choose your habits wisely. Thanks for watching and keep building your wealth foundation. We'll see you in the next one.